In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify store for maintenance. Whether you're doing a bit of renovation or need some downtime to tweak things without interruption, this guide will walk you through every step so you can focus on updating your store without any hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you are in, head over to your store's dashboard by navigating to the My Store section on the home page. This is where all your main actions will take place, so it will be your starting point for setting your store to maintenance mode. Next, you need to select the Online Store section from the left-hand side menu. This is typically where you manage your store's appearance, but it's also where you'll find the settings needed to enable maintenance mode. Click on it and it will expand to show you more options within the online store section. Now let's turn our attention to the preferences section, situated within the online store menu. Go ahead and click on it. This section holds various settings that allow you to customize the storefront experience for your customers, including setting your store to a password protected mode. In the preferences area, locate the password protection option. This is essentially the key feature that lets you control access to your store while you make necessary adjustments. By enabling this, anyone trying to visit your store will be prompted to enter a password. Once you've found the password protection option, it's time to add a password. This is how you control who can access your store while it's under maintenance. Just choose a password that's easy for you to remember but not too obvious for someone else to guess. Enter this password in the provided field. This password will ensure only those you want can access the store during your maintenance period. After setting the password, it's helpful to provide some context for your visitors. You can customize the message that appears when someone tries to visit your store while it's password protected. It's a good idea to write a message like "on maintenance" to inform visitors why the store is temporarily unavailable and perhaps hint at when it might be back online. With all these details set, the last thing to do is scroll down to the bottom of the preferences page and hit the save button. Saving this ensures all the changes you've made, including the enabled password protection settings and your personalized message, are now active. By following these steps, your Shopify store is now placed in maintenance mode, effectively giving you the peace of mind to go about your updates without any disruptions. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Once you're ready to open your store back up, you can easily revert these changes by heading back to the preferences section and disabling password protection. Stay tuned for more how-to guides to make managing your online store a breeze.